I was about 9, 10 years old. It was during the war. My grandfather bought it at an auction or something and brought it home to my grandmother, and then she gave it to my mother, and then they gave it to me when I got married, and I've had it all that time.
And why did they give it to you when you got married?
Because I didn't have any furniture.
No, because my mom told me that it came from the dump.
It came from a landfill or an auction, one or the other.
So I went ahead and
Oh, you did it way down
yep, just the natural,
Yeah.
which I was surprised.
there. Yeah.
And so
Oh, yeah.
Is it ash or oak?
it's oak. It's English oak. Yeah.
Wanna come in, baby? Come on.
The original tapestry.
Ooh, isn't this beautiful?
Oh, that, there you can see.
All I wanted to do is
You're not gonna Nice.
That was
It polished up amazingly.
I like that color.
Actually, still, the hairs from the original brush, you know how brush hairs will come off? They were still stuck all over it. And as you got really close into it, I was like, what is this crud that's on it?
Oh my God.
That's pretty.
Well, that came out good right there. Told ya. That face.
Yeah, I played with so many different faces on it.
Oh,
Solid as can be.
very good.
Yeah, it has to have pass.
You took that the other piece and did your template from it.
Didn't do any of that.
The cuttings?
Completely different. The way I foamed it is completely different.
No, I mean this piece.
No,
You
Oh,
didn't
wait,
use
I
that
gotta
for a
get a picture
template?
of her.
no. Yeah.
I remember sitting on it though when
And
I
now
was in
the finish.
Maryville, and when you sit by the front door there,
Yeah,
and when I cut open my head,
yeah.
Dad sat me on that chair.
Oh, beautiful, Ron.
Well, you couldn't do it. And then see how I did the bottom?
Watch the thing.
Did you
Yeah.
sign it?
No.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Inside I did sign it and put your birthday on it. It's in there, and then I put new boards on the inside. These boards, they stayed the same, but I had to put a cleat on the inside. And it all got stained out and came out just perfect.
That's the moon down there at the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah.
You haven't even sat on it?
No, crack when it had